Hey Antonio, Destiny here at Jimmy Britt. So just want to bear in mind it just got here today, so it needs to get detailed and through service and everything. But it is here and available as of now. And 2025. Obviously you got your automatic running boards on there. Nice dark tint. Come inside. You have your panoramic sunroof, dual rear media. There we go. You got your back. It is the Premiere. WeatherTech mats in there in the back. Original window sticker. Bose surround sound, 4x4, trailer breaker, 360 cameras. There we go. Upgraded new screen, heated and cooled seats, wireless phone charger, 8526 on the miles. All right. And I can send over the deposit form that'll hold it 3 days if you'd like me to. Thanks.